Hey Bruno, we've got a delivery to do today.
Really? Which delivery is it today, Mia?
We are taking pipes to Coatstalk, then hay to Farmer McCall's farm, and finally, taking boxes to the docks. Are you ready to do the delivery?
That seems like a lot, Mia. Maybe get a bigger engine to do it?
I'll be fine, Bruno. If we puff really quietly, James won't notice us.
James is right there.
He won't, trust me.
Hey, Nia, is that load too heavy for you?
Told ya. Yes.
No, James, I've got this.
Okay, Nia.
I can do it by myself.
If you need help, I'm available.
Got it, James. Thank you.
Mia, you're going too fast. You're gonna lose your cargo.
Oh, you're right, Bruno. We should slow down. There is a junction coming up.
Hey Nia, how's your day going?
Good. I'm taking a heavy load today.
Need help?
Nah, I've got it. Thanks, but no thanks.
You need to go faster, Mia. You're running a little late. It's 12:30 p.m. You need to get all these deliveries done by 4 p.m.
Don't worry, Bruno. We are at the right pace. A hill?
I knew you'd get into this situation.
We just gotta get up this hill.
Not without any help.
Nia, need help?
Yes, Percy. I need help getting up this hill. Can you do it?
My pleasure.
Thank you, Percy.
Anytime, Nia. Where are you headed anyway?
I'm just doing some deliveries.
I can help. I can take the pipes to the docks if you can take the rest.
Alright, Percy. Thanks for the help.
Anytime.
Yes! We did it!
And it's 4 p.m.
Look at that, Bruno. We finished our deliveries.
Nia, can you do one more delivery? To take some animals to the petting zoo in Fickerstown.
Don't worry, James. I'll get them there as fast as I can.
I'll be here in case you need slowing down.
Alright, let's do this!
Wait, Nia, you forgot this package to deliver.
I can take it for you, James.
Thanks, Percy. You're too kind.
No problem, James. See you later.
All right, Percy. See you later.